I will be teaching you managerial finance course for this semester. Today we'll cover time value of money. As you know, time value of money refers to the money available at present time that's worth more than the same amount in the future. This is due to its potential earning capacity. So in this time value of money concept, we'll cover several areas. We'll cover interest rate. There are different kind of interest rate. There is simple interest rate, compound interest rate, and also amortizing a loan and compounding more than once per year. So as you see, each of them is different. For example, if it is simple interest, you'll pay interest only on the principal amount. But when you compound interest, the interest you paid will be also added on the interest on the principal, and then you pay again interest on the principal and also on the interest. So for example, let's ask a question regarding interest rate. Which would you prefer, 10,000 today or 10,000 in 5 years? If you say 10,000 today, then obviously you know the concept of time value of money, because the money that you have today, you can invest it and you can make more money out of it. But if you get it in the future, then you lose the time value of money. So why time is such an important element in your decision? Yes, time is very important in your decision because time allows you the opportunity to postpone consumption and earn interest. So as I described in my initial presentation, there are two types of interest. One is simple interest, which is interest paid or earned on only the original amount or principal borrowed amount. And then there is compound interest. Interest is paid or earned on any previous interest earned as well as on the principal borrowed or lent. So let's see example. There is a formula: simple interest equals principal times rate times time. So let's assume that you deposit $1,000 today in your account, and the account earns you 7% simple interest, and you keep that money for 2 years. So what's your accumulated interest at the end of the second year? So $1,000 times the 7% interest times 2 years, you'll earn $140. So the future value of this deposit is the $1,000 that you deposited plus the $140 interest. So that will give you $1,140. So the future value, as the name implies, is the value at some future time of a present amount of money or a series of payments evaluated at a given interest rate. So what's the present value of the previous problem? Obviously, the $1,000 that originally you deposited is the value today. So present value definition stated that is the current value of a future amount or a series of payments evaluated at a given interest rate. So with this, I think you should be able to understand what the interest concept, simple interest and the compound interest. In terms of the compound interest, then you pay interest on the principal plus the interest earned on the first year. Hope this clarifies the time value concept, and should you have any question, please reach out to me. I can be reached at my phone number listed in your course syllabus. Also, you can email me anytime, or we can schedule time so that we can discuss. Good luck, and thank you for attending this class.